Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Vega T3 beard trimmer. Now, as you can see, this is the box that the Vega T3 beard trimmer comes in. They have listed four sort of USPs of the product. There is a USB charging cable. It has a lithium battery with 90 minutes of runtime. There are 20 length settings from 0.4 to 10 mm in size, and it has an LED display. Let's turn it over. What else have we got? So the Vega T3 beard trimmer features stainless steel blades with smooth rounded tips. There is again, you can adjust the setting from 0.4 mm to 10 mm. It has it comes with an adjustable comb. 90 minutes of charging will give you 90 minutes of runtime. There is a detachable head for easy cleaning. Ergonomic design, lithium battery, dual voltage. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. And there you go, that's the Vega T3 beard trimmer. Side. So again, pretty nifty handle. These are your, okay, it's on, comes on. That's the power button to turn it on and off. It's got the LED display. These are the settings, and this comes apart, is what I'm guessing. What else do you get in the box? Let's take a look. So opening this up, we see there's the USB cable. Please note that they've just given the cable. There is no separate adapter. You need a USB adapter to charge this, or you can hook it up to your laptop also. They've given some oil, I'm guessing cleaning oil. There's a brush, and also in the box you get the user manual and you get the warranty. So there you go, folks. That was the unboxing of the Vega T3 beard trimmer. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.